Hello everyone, welcome to Simon 2. Welcome to part 2 of Simon 2 repair and service the CLA 200. And this one, today we're gonna do the second part of the videos. We're gonna replace the socks, silicone socks, leave everything, 1, 2, 3, check up and then take it out this side. And the mouth as well. So better do that, and we'll give the engine beautifully running without the socks gone. Last time I showed you about the socks bouncing and empty mouth. So we do this side first, check it up, check here, and we check balance this one. Replace one of these empty mouth here, broken. We're down here, and see, this is what we have to do. Take up, and replace and put on. It's very easy. It's much easier than Honda and Toyota or all that crap. But we need to put the stand on the stand. Put on the stand there, and then we put that jack. Just put underneath the engine mouth and just tilt it up a little bit, and we can undo this one and replace this one first. We need to undo them, all of them, and take all of them out because avoid the water bottles, so I don't want to take off the water bottles. And what we do is 2 bolts there, then this one moving, and this one on, this one out. Slide that one and slide them separate. And this one, they're easy, they're very easy for the top. It's easy at the Toyota, but yeah, European car is when you first look it's a little bit pain, but when you get used to it, actually I like repair them, so it's not that hard let you think. Okay, it's making everything in one position, see, so you can see whatever it is. Okay, go out, in, out, see? Without touching anything. See? And see this one completely gone. Nothing. Whoa. Anyway, get a new one on. Using a number 8 holding this, and take it up slowly, okay? Number 19 here. And see, it's been dusty, that's why. Patient, okay? Take time. If you don't want to get a brake bar, here, with the sway bar here, push it down. You can check it out. See, take this one out, put it on one side. A lot of dust here, it haven't been taken off before, so we better spray some WD-40. Yeah, that chunk, he pull the pin, and you can get the whole chunk out like this. It's super easy. Get the bottom one out first. Make it easy. We mark this one here to the front, so the target to the front, and we here, target here. So these 2 targets there, and you will know when we take it up and have to be in the right position. And we are bingo, okay, like that. And we don't mix up, so much easy later. Okay, we take these 2 top up. We do one by one side each. So these 3 bolts, put it here. Later we need it to put it back straight away. Okay, that's how it came up. And pull it here. And you will see they start to fall down. You see, start to fall down. What we do is release this one and bring the whole chunk out this way. Okay, we tilt this one out. We go this way, and that one come out this way. So that's how it look. This is how it look, alright. And we have to make the mark. Remember, these 3 chores, much easy for you only. That one go direct to this one. See, this one different pattern. So this one go. The pen not really good. So you go. So you go here. So, and then number 19. Okay, sorry, number 21. 21. Okay, put on here. Yeah. Up to you, okay? I don't care. It's all your problems. Not my problem. If you don't want to get safety, it's your problem, okay? It's your problem, man. It's not my fault, brother. Same as any other car. So easy when we got these tools. So when you got these tools, we'll be laughing cow, okay? No trouble at all. Any car, mostly about the same. Okay, we put them down a little bit more. Okay, too high. Push it down. I hope this one's still working. I've been sitting there so long. Yeah, very safety. And what we do is number 21, you can take it out. Lift it up. And the spring is not coming up. See that how easy it is. So now we just release. See? Release. Come up. Push down more if you want. Make sure check if they match the same size, okay? Same size. So this one go, the bracket go that way. This one bracket go that way, and this one go in. Same shape. Put everything back. This one go. Press it down and tie them on, and we have one side done. Okay. Using the bolt that come with the socks. So the other one 21, this one 19. Okay. Now we just do a tie them on, and we got beautiful socks. Yeah, mostly super simple. I don't know. Okay. One down. Oh, not hard at all to put on. Okay, like slide. Okay, this one go in with the target. On this side. Okay. Okay. We are bingos. We are bingo, mama. One. And two. Okay. So we hang this one here. We hang here. And we come down. See the mark, the target. Much easy for you. And we do is just line this one up. And we are happy. Okay, we are happy. Quite easy this one. It's much easy than Toyota or Honda. So I tell you that. It's very easy. See, that's it. And this one, you can put it on back. And by slide in the position here. See, this one go in position. And this one should be go on and push it on. Okay. That's it. We got in location and tie them on. And here. And here. And tie them in 21. And now this one lined up. You can put this one in if you wish. And then, yep, rudder gun. Yeah, so much easy for you to make the target so you know which way to go. And very simple. Yeah. Sway bar. Go down too much, no worries. This one will help, okay? Go down. Yep. Push it down. Okay. I'll see. I put it on it with the 19. Here we go. Tight the bolt and make sure it's super tight here and super tight here, and we're ready to put back the wheels, and we're gonna finish the other side. This one faulty for sure because see how soft it's faulty. See, it doesn't want to swing back too, look, and then it's faulty anyway. Faulty 100% for sure. Okay, the shock absorber been done, and engine mount been done, and that how it is, and very simple. It's not hard if you're getting into it. It's a little bit hard on the engine bay, that's all, but I find out when I open up, and I find out much easy. And it's to be honest, it's much easy fix than Toyota, trust me, if you know. Okay, thanks for watching short video about how to replace engine mounts and shock absorber for the CLA 200 250, or about the same. Thanks for watching Simon Tools. See ya.